सदैकप्रियदर्शनम् अज्ञाननाशकं देवं सद्गुरुं मुरलीधरम्।
ओजस्तेजोद्युतिधर प्रकाशात्मा प्रतापनः ऋद्धस्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रश्चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः। ओजस्तेजोद्युतिधराय नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Ojaha pranabalam, tejaha shauryadayo gunaha, dyutihi deeptihi, tam dharayati iti ojas tejo dyutidharaha. Ojaha means vital energy. Tejaha means valor and other attributes. Dyutihi means effulgence. Since Bhagavan possesses all these three, Bhagavan is called Ojas Tejo Dyutidharaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Ojaha balam, tejaha parabhibhavana samarthyam, kirtihi va, dyutihi aujvalyam, tani dharati iti ojas tejo dyutidharaha, saha eva, ekam nama. He says, Ojaha means strength, tejaha means fame or power to overcome enemies, dyutihi means effulgence. Since it is Bhagavan alone who has all these three, Bhagavan is called Ojas Tejo Dyutidharaha.
प्रकाशात्मने नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Prakasha Swarupaha Atma Yasya Saha Prakashatma. Bhagavan is one with radiant self. So Bhagavan is called Prakashatma. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Murkhairapi Sampratipanna Paraprabhavaha Prakashatma. The supreme nature of Bhagavan is known even to ignorant fools. So Bhagavan is called Prakashatma. In Mahabharata, we see even Dhritarashtra says, Tvameva Pundarikaksha Sarvasya Jagatah Prabhu Tasmat me Yadavasreshta Prasadam Kartumarhasi. He says, Oh Pundarikaksha, you are the Lord of this universe, so please take pity on me. That Krishna was the Lord of the universe was known even to someone like Dhritarashtra. Such is the supreme nature of Bhagavan, so Bhagavan is called Prakashatma.
प्रतापनाय नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Savitradi Vibhutibihi Vishwam Pratapayati iti Pratapanaha. By his manifestation as sun, etc., Bhagavan energizes this entire cosmos, so Bhagavan is called Pratapanaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar quotes Srimad Bhagavad Gita and says, Bhasaha tava ugraha pratapanti iti pratapanaha. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna says, Le lihyase grasamanaha samantat lokan samagran badanaihi jvaladbihi tejobhirapurya jagat samagram bhasaha tavograha pratapanti Vishnu. Arjuna describes what he sees when Bhagavan reveals his Vishwarupa or cosmic form to him. Arjuna perceives Bhagavan devouring all the three worlds and licking his lips. He says, Krishna, your fiery rays which are filling this world with radiance is scorching. Since Bhagavan scorches his enemies, he is called Pratapanaha.
ऋद्धाय नमः।
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Dharma Jnana Vairagyadibihi Upetatvat Riddhaha. Being endowed with dharma, knowledge, dispassion, etc., Bhagavan is wealthy. So Bhagavan is called Riddhaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Evam Kulam Udvahat Parvanar Navaha Iva Riddhaha. Bhagavan is plentiful like the ocean on a full moon day, which submerges even the shores by its rising waves. So Bhagavan is called Riddaha.
स्पष्टाक्षराय नमः
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Spashtam Udatam Omkara Lakshanam Aksharam Asiyeti Spashtaksharaha. Bhagavan is clearly indicated by Pranava, whose accent is Udata or acute. So Bhagavan is called Spashtaksharaha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Anaya Riddhaya Pratipadyaya Spashtikrita Vedaksharaha iti Spashtaksharaha. We saw in the previous divine name how Bhagavan is called Riddaha because he is wealthy and magnificent. The letters of the Vedas are made clear by this virtue of magnificence, which is also the subject of the Vedas. Bhagavan reveals himself very clearly through the letters of these Vedas, so Bhagavan is called Spashtaksharaha.
Mantraya Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Rig Yaju Sama Lakshanaha Mantraha. Bhagavan is Rig Veda, Yajur Veda and Sama Veda, so Bhagavan is called Mantraha. Sri Shankara Bhagavad Padal further says, Mantra Bodhyatvadva Mantraha. Bhagavan is revealed in the mantras, so Bhagavan is called Mantraha. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Tan Mantaram Trayate iti Mantraha iti Nairuktaha. Nirukti says, Mantra is that which protects the one who meditates upon it. Sri Parashara Bhattar quotes Brahma Purana and says, Prana Prayane Kaha Smartum Shaktaha Syat Madhusudana iti Prichantam Naradam Prati Bhagavan Trishna Toyas Akirnat Ghorat Samsara Sagarat Aparat Paramapnoti Yomam Smarati Nityashaha. In Brahma Purana, sage Narada asks Bhagavan, O Madhusudana, who can remember you at the time when his life departs? To which Bhagavan replies, he who thinks of me constantly shall certainly cross this samsara. In Varaha Purana also, Bhagavan says, Sthite manasi susvasthe sharire sati yo naraha dhatu samye sthite smarta vishwarupam chamam ajam tatastam mriyamanam tu kashta pashana sannibham aham smarami madbhaktam nayami paramam gatim. Bhagavan says, if one meditates upon me when he is mentally and physically healthy, I shall remember him when he is lying like a log of wood or a piece of stone in his dying moments. Since Bhagavan protects those who meditate upon him, Bhagavan is called Mantraha.
Chandramshave Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Samsara tapatigmamshu tapatapita chetasam chandramshu riva ahladakatvat chandramshuhu. Just like the rays of the moon that bring delight to those who are afflicted by the scorching sun, Bhagavan brings delight to those who are afflicted by the scorching sun of samsara or worldly life. Sri Parashara Bhattar says, Tesham mantranam klamahara ahladana tejastvat chandramshuhu. Bhagavan has the effulgence of the moon's rays which dispels the distress of the one who meditates upon him. So Bhagavan is called Chandramshuhu.
Bhaskaradyutaye Namaha.
Sri Adi Shankara Bhagavad Padal says, Bhaskara Dyuti Sadharmyat Bhaskara Dyutihi. Bhagavan is as bright and effulgent as the sun. So Bhagavan is called Bhaskara Dyutihi. In Srimad Ramayana, Shri Sita Devi speaks of Shri Rama as the sun and she says, Sharajalam Shuman Shuraha Kape Rama Divakaraha Shatru Rakshomayam Toyam Upashosham Naishyati. She says that son Rama with his innumerable arrows as his rays will dry up this lake of enemies. Shri Parashar Bhattar says, Paresham Paribhavuka Prabhavatvat Bhaskara Dyutihi. Just as when the sun rises, all the stars fade away, Bhagavan's effulgence is such that it overshadows others, so Bhagavan is called Bhaskara Dyutihi. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Radhe Radhe.